Gang, 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 gang. You got Glocky in the cut.
It's your boy Buddha, man.
And we thought it, gang. You feel me? Throw the big T's up.
T's up, man. Technical foul move. Stop playing.
You see the video title. We finna do a reaction to Key Glock.
Glizz up.
Never change. Since we talking about
Glizz
Glockies,
up.
you feel
Playing,
me? We
man.
Glock gang too,
Stop
you feel
playing,
me? Man, push play on that, man. Run Glock.
Never
man.
change, man. Key Glock.
No busy. That chain hard. Hey, he might be back.
Bro, Z Loki was kind of a little wacky. I don't know, man.
He's back.
Hey, I'm $1 million nigga, bitch, but ain't shit changed, ain't shit changed, but the goddamn change, I be ballin' hard, I do this for me in the game.
They got a fun around drum on the move.
My niggas playing Call of Duty. That's illegal.
I think like he finna drop that hoe.
Shit, he might.
Ain't shit changed, but the goddamn change, I be ballin' hard, I do this for me in the game, going out like I came, and it's with a bang, yellow bitch, yellow whip, yellow everything,
Okay.
Lemon squeeze, trigger, nigga,
I make lemonade too, you feel me? Stop
put it
playing.
in lemonade, my diamonds frosted flakes, bitch told me they're great, yeah, bitch, I'm a
But that Chrome Heart going crazy.
plenty cake, let my effort penetrate, get the fuck about my way, you ain't talking about no paper, you ain't talking about no paper, shut out my gang, shut out my labor, bitch, I do my thing, why y'all just hate it, I'm ballin' like a Laker, I'm cutthroat, I might trade it, sippin' smoking flavors, going up like elevators, I mean escalators, killers in the escalator.
It might be bad, it's shit vibing.
That's a vibe. This like when he first dropped.
Yeah.
But somehow, bitch, I still take some, nigga, I still take some, but
He was the first nigga with the perms, honestly.
Ain't shit changed, but the goddamn change.
Top three.
My brother got through.
I like the video too, that shit lit.
That shit hard.
And just the other day I dropped a quote on earring. Then I got you going crazy. Glock, you insane. I never change. When my change, keep the thing. I'm about to break this bitch back and then go break the bank. And if you don't know nothing, bitch, you better know a thing. I'm $1 million nigga, bitch, and I never change. All the things change with these motherfucking chains. I'm ballin' hard on them, I do this shit for me and gang.
Jump on that pill, man.
That's with a bang. Yellow bitch, yellow whip, yellow everything. Let me squeeze trigger, nigga. I make lemonade. My gang don't hesitate. We call it a lemonade. All my diamonds frosted flakes. Bitch told me they look.
I don't like braces, but them shit going.
This shit is
That
blood.
shit Tyson.
Flu game.
I was finna be disrespectful, but I ain't even gonna say what I was gonna say.
The mook.
I thought that was that nigga, man. I'm like, how the fuck you do that? Like, ain't that some shit?
Them niggas play with
I'm
voodoo.
like, y'all wildin'. but
They
shit.
crazy.
What you thought about that?
That shit was hard on a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it a 9.
That was a 9.
That shit was lit.
Like a 9.2.
That shit was vibey. I
That
give
shit
it
was
a
vibe.
9.2.456, some shit like
You
that.
can work out to it, drive around
Got
to
some
it.
bounce to it. Y'all
Yeah.
messing with that, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, cap, but shit, that was that. You want to watch down your own, put the link down below in the description box. And yeah, TG, we out, man. No Kizzle. Rosie made the beat.
I'm serve, good dope, junk, hit my phone, they want some fucking good dope. I'm serve, good dope, junk, hit my phone, they want some fucking good dope. Damn, I ran a piece, gon' rob the plug, then young nigga, I fucked the bitch, and her friend, I'm too pimpin'.